Hey guys, welcome back to Foil Fiend. Today we've got something special that we're going to open. It's a 91-92 upper deck box that I managed to pick up off eBay after currency conversion and GST shipping, etc. Ended up about $175 Australian. The main cards we're looking for in this box are Jordans. So some of the really good Jordans can be worth up to about 100 USD each. So yeah, hoping we can make the money back on this box. But let's see. These cards are actually older than when I first started collecting cards as a teenager. So I've actually never opened a pack of these before. So it's going to be quite interesting to see what we find in here. As you can see, the plastic's intact, which is good. I'm hoping everything is okay on the inside. As you know, some of these older boxes, sometimes they can have issues if they haven't been stored correctly. So yeah, looking pretty good in here. All the packs are still sealed. I'll even just put this little flap up. It looks like we're at the shop. There we go. Well, I'm hoping these haven't been resealed. I'm hoping that's just the plastic fraying a little bit. You can see there. No, that's not looking good. That opened really easily. I'm hoping that's just the glue wearing off, not that someone has tried to reseal these. Anyhow, they all look like this. So I'm hoping that that's just the glue after, what is it, 22 years, 32 years. Yeah, hoping that's just the 32-year-old glue that's broken down over time, and these haven't been resealed. So anyhow, let's get cracking. See what we can find. Straight up, we got Doc Rivers, Tom Chambers. Looks like a collector's edition. Victor Alexander, Sean Kemp. This is actually a nice card. I think it's actually worth about $30. Nice. Alec Kessler, Gary Grant, Kelvin Upshaw, Gerard Mustaff, Jay Humphreys, Greg Dreiling, Kenny Walker, and Jeff Turner. So it's nice to get that Kemp. Got Kevin Duckworth, Scott Skiles, artistic card, Jimmy Oliver, Stacey King, Dennis Rodman. That's actually quite a decent card as well. Larry Drew, Dennis Scott, Todd Litchie, Steve Alford, Drazen Petrovic, Rory Sparrow, and James Edwards. Might make another pile for these artistic ones. I don't know if they're worth anything. We can put them separate. There's 36 packs in here, times 12, so over 400 cards. Yeah, I think these feel okay. They're not resealed. It's just the glue looked a bit funny. Buck Johnson, Charles Barkley, that's a good one. Tony Brown, Tim Hardaway, that could be worth something. Willie Anderson, Steve Alford again, Delaney Rudd, Grant Long, Vladdy Divac. There's Hershey Hawkins. Ooh, All-Star Checklist Jordan. I think this is actually worth something. That's a nice one. The last one is Eric Murdoch. All right. Next one. Got an All-Star card in here. Hershey Hawkins. Charles Barkley All-Star. Derek Coleman. Alan Ogg. Dennis Hobson. Will Perdue. Kennard Winchester. Tom Talbot. Dale Ellis. Travis Mays. Tyrone Corbin and Anthony Bonner. Alrighty. Randy Brewer. Larry Bird. That's a good one. Sam Mitchell. Alvin Robertson. Maurice Cheeks. Spud Webb. That could be worth something. Just put it aside. Alan Ogg again. Jason Williams. Johnny Dawkins. Mark Randall. James Worthy All-Star. Ooh, Hakeem. That is an interesting one. I'll definitely look that one up afterwards. All-Star in here. This would be Tom Chambers. James Worthy. That's art card. Doug Overton. William Bedford. BJ Armstrong. Randy White. Charles Oakley. David Wood. Another Spud Webb. Put that aside. Avery Johnson. Mike Sanders. Anton Lister. David Wood. Okay. Another pack. Chris Gatling. Joe Dumas All-Star. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan base. Looks not too bad. Maybe centering looks okay. Let's see if I got a sleeve for this. One moment. Cut this. There we go. Lovely. I should put this down here. All right, keep going. Cedric Sabalos, Joe Klein, Ed Pickney, Willie Anderson, Dwayne Farrell, Vernon Maxwell, Scott Hastings, Jack Sikma, Antoine Carr. Right, Magic Johnson All-Star. That could be a decent card. Let's put that aside. Gerald Wilkins, sorry. New York Knicks checklist. Steve Hood, BJ Armstrong again. William Bedford, Dave Corzine, Sidney Green, Joe Wolf, Sleepy Floyd, Jack Haley, Tate George, Chucky Brown. Here we go. This is a holographic sixth man. This is Deadless Shrimp. Very nice. Be interesting to see what that's worth. Wayne Cooper, Kendall Gill, Derek Coleman, Terry Cummins, Willie Anderson again, Dwayne Farrell again, Michael Smith, Willie Burton, Blue Edwards, Lionel Simmons, Michael Jordan All-Star, another one, beautiful. And this is a draft card. It's a checklist. I'm not sure what it's worth, but let's just put it aside anyway. All right. Let's go to the next pack. Alrighty. Henry James. Blair Rasmussen. Trent Tucker. Kenny Smith. Kennard Winchester. Tom Tolbert again. Keith Askins. Benoit Benjamin. Lance Blanks. Could this be Magic Johnson base? Beautiful. I think that's definitely worth something. Chris Mullen and Victor Alexander. Larry Johnson, rookie card. I think that could actually be worth something. That is a nice card. What else we got here? Patrick Ewing All-Star. That could be worth something. Checklist card. What else we got here? Todd Murphy. Herb Williams. Isaiah Thomas. That could be worth something. Johnny Newman. Maurice Cheeks. Vernon Maxwell. Sherman Douglas. Bill Lambia. D. Brown. Here we got Tim Hardaway, All-Star. Could be worth something. Detroit Pistons checklist, Isaiah. Could be worth something. Got a draft rookie card, Rodney Monroe. Don't know. We'll have a look. AC Green. John Sally. Blue Edwards again. Sleepy Floyd again. Larry Smith. Chris Mullen. Adrian Caldwell. Patrick Ewing base. That could be interesting. And another checklist. This looks like a draft. John Turner, don't know who that is, but we can check. Kevin Johnson, All-Star. Again, not really know much about Kevin. I guess we can check him later. Doc Rivers, Rodney McRae, rookie card. Check him later. Darrell Griffith, Andrew Lang, Gerard Mustaff, John Williams, Jerome Kersey, Harvey Grant, Chris Dudley, and Larry Kristowiak. Alright, I don't know how many, might be about halfway, I think. It's another All-Star. It's Karl Malone. That one is worth checking. Pacers checklist. Reggie Miller, worth a look. Myron Brown, Manute Bol, Bill Cartwright, checklist. Chuck Person, Danny Ainge, Pooh Richardson, Chris Dudley, Harvey Grant again, Bill Wennington. Another All-Star, and it is David Robinson. Definitely worth a look. This is the Kings checklist. It is Lionel Simmons, worth a look. This one, Stay in School. Don't know who that is, but we can definitely take a look. Dennis Rodman base. That's a good one. Stacey King, Joe Klein, Detlef, Dave Jamison, Chuck Person, Bobby Hansen, Mark Bryant, and Joe Dumas. Alrighty. Dikembe Mutombo rookie card. I know that's definitely worth something. Ricky Pierce, Dennis Scott, John Shasky, Jeff Malone, not to be confused with Carl, Reggie Lewis, Kenny Smith, Larry Smith, Doug West, Judd Bjorcha, Dwayne Schnitzius, Chris Jackson. Alrighty. Come on, we need some more Jordans. Eric Murdoch. Okay. Adrian Caldwell, Darrell Walker, Patrick Ewing base. I'll definitely check that one. Kevin Willis, Otis Thorpe, Randolph Keys, Ron Harper, Fat Lever, Sedale Threat, Moses Malone, David Robinson, All-Star, Eric Murdoch. Really love another one of those hologram cards, but I suspect there may be one per box. John Stockton All-Star. We'll check that. This is Chris Jackson Nuggets checklist. Mike Aozzolino, Terry Davis, Quinton Daly, John Shasky, Hakeem base. We'll check that out. Kevin Willis, Winston Bennett, Blair Rasmussen again, Trent Tucker, and Mike Gminski. Might even be able to make close to a full set here. Right. All-Star on top as usual. Kevin Johnson, Check it out. This is Mark Eaton Jazz Checklist. There's another Stain School card. Nate McMillan, Horace Grant, Lance Blanks, Rod Higgins, Jerome Lane, another Hakeem base, Chris Jackson, Kurt Rambis, Judd Bjorcher again. Alrighty. Let's just check. We've still got quite a few left. This looks like a rookie card. Steve Smith, we can check it. Dominique Wilkins, All-Star, we can check it. Kendall Gill. Is this a rookie card? Maybe. We can check it. Dan Barros, Mark Aguirre, James Donaldson, Jerome Kersey, Danny Ainge again, Jim Peterson, Joe Dumas again, Lionel Simmons and Bobby Hansen. Mark Randall. What's this? Magic Johnson. Can check that one. Another Michael card. All-Star checklist. I still think that's worth something. Ken Norman. Ricky Pierce. Vinnie Johnson. Jerry Reynolds. Jim Peterson. Danny Ainge again. Larry Bird base. Beautiful. That's definitely worth something. Steve Henson and Sam Mitchell. Alright, Chris Mullen, All-Star. I can check it. This is the Rex Chapman team checklist. Kirk Lee, Cliff Livingston, Ron Anderson, Rodney McRae, J.R. Reed, Rick Smith, Dominique Wilkins base. It's worth a look. Herb Williams, Armon Gillum, Isaiah Thomas base. Funnily enough, they're actually difficult to open, so definitely not repacked. Moses Malone. Ooh, David Robinson Spurs checklist. Rookie card, John Turner. Tom Chambers. Needley Knight. Billy Thompson. John Williams. Tom Tolbert again. Muggsy Bogues. Gerald Glass. Ryan Shaw. Ooh, another hologram. Another Detlef. You've got to be joking me. Two exactly the same holograms. Scott Brooks. Two of the same one in the same box. You've got to be kidding me. It would be okay if it was a Michael. Stacey Orgman. Bernard King. Winston Garland. Doc Joe Vranovic. Danny Manning. Scottie Pippen base. It's a good one. Kevin Willis. Otis Thorpe. Wait a sec. Two Kevin Willis in a row? You're kidding me. Tate George. David Greenwood. Jack Healy. Let's see what we got. It's another rookie card. It's Rodney Monroe. Have to look these all up at the end. Tom Chambers All-Star. James Worthy All-Star. I'm not sure they're worth so much. Hersey Hawkins, Ricky Green. Andre Turner. Sean Elliott. Doug West, Larry Smith. Charles Barkley base. Check it out. Bernard King and Tony Brown. Pile's getting quite big now. Looks like we have maybe about 10 packs left. Joe Dumas, All-Star. That's a Heat Teen Lift, Ron Seakley. Check it out. Sean Higgins, Quinton Daly, Terry Davis, Sadal Fret, Tyrone Hill, Fred Roberts, Reggie Miller, Worth a Look, Kendall Gill, and who else we got? Roy Hinson, Derek Coleman. Okay. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got exactly 10 packs left. I'm going to transfer these out of the way. Alrighty, let's do these last 10. Chris Corciani. It's a rookie. Should have made a separate rookie pile. Clyde Drexler, All-Star. John Stockton, base. All-Star. Sorry, not base. Roy Tarpley, Mark West, Derek Harper, Kelly Tripucka, Dale Ellis, Tom Tolbert. I think I've got about 10 Tom Tolberts. Dan Shays, Scott Williams, and Felton Spencer. Come on, can you give me one more, Michael, before we finish the box? This looks like a rookie card. This is Mike Iozolino. I think I already got that one. Put it aside anyway. Terry Porter, All-Star. Karl Malone, All-Star. Worth a look. Bo Kimball. Gary Payton. John Stockton, base. Terry Mills. Terry Cummings, Willie Anderson, Kenny Walker, Greg Dreiling, and Mark Alari. Greg Anthony, rookie card. Brad Doherty, All-Star. Rick Mahorn, Randy White. Jeff Martin, Michael Cage, Larry Smith, Kenny Smith, Richard Kennard Winchester, James Edwards, Wayman Tisdale, Drazen Petrovic. It's getting some better rips at the start, but hopefully in these last few packs we can find something really decent. Brad Doherty, Gerald Glass, Brian Shaw, Maurice Cheeks, Johnny Newman, Otis Smith, Jeff Hornacek, Ronaldo Blackman, Andy Toulson, Tim Hardaway, All-Star, check it out, Kevin Duckworth, All-Star, Myron Brown. 6 left. Brad Doherty, All-Star. Sorry, I'm getting a bit impatient now. I'm just looking through for the good cards. Got the 2 Knicks there. Got AJ English, Hayward Workman, Kiki Vanderway, Charles Oakley, John Sundvold, Mitch Richmond, Ricky Green, AC Green, John Sally, Derek Smith. It's the Clippers checklist, Ron Harper, we'll check it out. Brad Doherty, All-Star. Kevin McHale. No holograms hiding in there. That's the Dominic Wilkins checklist. Kevin McHale, All-Star. Warren Wiley, Bill Cartwright, Manute Bol, Ken Norman, Reggie Thus, Ramil Robinson, Dennis Scott, Tyrone Corbin, got Travis Mays and John Battle. Alrighty, lucky last few. Come on, I know there's another Michael in here. Clyde Drexler. That is a Nets checklist. Derek Coleman, Chris Corciani, Ron Anderson, Cliff Livingston, Dana Barros, Dominic Wilkins, worth a look, Jerome Kersey, Kevin Upshaw, Antoine Carr, Ralph Sampson, Scott Hastings. 3 left. Come on. Just one more Michael. A Michael hologram would be amazing. Got Terry Porter, All-Star. That's the Mavericks checklist. Ronaldo Blackman. Elliot Perry, Horace Grant. Nate McMillan. Stojo Vrankovic. Reggie Miller. Base. It's a checklist. John Williams, Greg Anderson, Mario Ellie, and Chris Morris. Second last pack. Come on. This looks like a rookie card. It's Terrell Brandon, Alvin Robertson, Danny Young, Larry Drew, Robert Parrish, Eldon Campbell, Danny Ainge again, Jerome Kersey, John Williams, Mike Sanders, Joe Barry Carroll, Alliston Lister. All right, lucky last. Come on, can you deliver one more Michael? Supersonics. This is a rookie, Rich King. Oh, I can see. But not be a fucking Detlef Schrempf again. Rich King, Kevin McHale, Michael Adams, Dave Corzin, Charles Smith, Tony Smith, Maurice Cheeks again, Maurice and his bloody cheeks, Vernon Maxwell, Dwayne Farrell, Chris Morris, Greg Anderson. Let's see who it is. It is... You have to be fucking joking me. 3 Detlef Schrempf holograms. Is there a problem on the packing line at Upper Deck? For fuck's sake. Alright. Eddie Johnson. Wow. What a roller coaster. I still cannot believe this. 3 Detlef Schrempf holograph cards. I don't know what they're worth, but we'll check it out. Maybe do another video about it. In terms of the Michael hunting, we've got 4 Michaels, got 3 NBA Michaels, and the Michael base, which is probably the best one in the box. I think it's about 100 US possibly. And there were a few pretty decent ones in here that I need to check. So Sean Kemp, Rodman, Larry Bird, Magic Johnson, 2 Magic Johnsons, 1 All-Star, 1 base. Larry Johnson rookie card. Dikembe Mutombo rookie card. There's a few Isaiah Thomases. Another Larry Bird. Yeah, 2 Hakeems. Scottie Pippen. Yeah, so there's some good stuff in here. I'm going to enjoy looking that up and see what they're worth. So yeah, thanks for watching. Always fun. It was great nostalgia to open such an old box, and always great to bag a good card. So thanks everyone. Have a good day. See ya.